Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to return the Shipstreak order, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to the shipstreak.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then after that, you just need to go to the very bottom where you will find contact us option. Now simply tap on contact us, and from here you can just get in touch, get in touch form where you can just get this drop down section where you can select the type of query, the inquiry, support request, new customer, a or AWB issue. So you can just go with AWB issue or inquiry or support request. Now go tap your enter your name. So I'm going to enter my name here and the phone number and the email address also. Then you can add that what is about the inquiry, why you want to get in touch. Like I want to type like I want to cancel my order and return that parcel or something else that you have got as the order. Then you can just simply tap on submit, and one of the uh, representative will get back to you through the phone number or the email address as soon as that are possible. So that's how you can just return the product or the parcel or the order for the of the Shipstreak. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.